What's up, everyone? Get ready for an in-depth look at this incredible piece of tech we've been testing. Imagine transforming any room into a cinematic wonderland instantly, with crystal clear visuals and booming audio. Well, stop imagining, because the TCL C1 Smart Projector is here to make that a reality. And after spending some serious time with it, I can tell you it's absolutely brilliant. This isn't just a gadget, it's an experience upgrade, packed into a surprisingly portable package. First up, let's talk about the brain of this projector, the interoperable entertainment option. We're talking official Netflix and Google TV certification right out of the box. What does that mean for you? No more fumbling with extra streaming sticks, no complicated setups, no compatibility headaches. Just seamless, high-quality access to all your favorite shows, movies, and even live TV instantly. Seriously, the convenience factor alone is a game changer. You power it on, log in, and you're diving into your watch list. It's entertainment, simplified and supercharged, letting you focus on what matters, enjoying your content. But a smart projector isn't just about what it can stream. It's about how it delivers that content. And the TCL C1 excels with its smart plug and play capabilities. This mini projector is designed for ultimate flexibility. That 285-degree rotatable gimbal? It's pure genius. Whether you want to project onto a wall, a screen, or even the ceiling while lounging in bed, the C1 effortlessly adjusts. And the best part? No fiddling with focus or keystone correction. It's got autofocus and auto keystone built in, so you just power it on, and within seconds, you've got a perfectly aligned, sharp image ranging from 40 to a massive 120 inches. Picture this: spontaneous movie nights, gaming sessions with friends, or even an outdoor cinema experience. The C1 adapts to your life, not the other way around. It truly redefines what a portable projector can do. Now let's talk visuals and audio, because what's a home theater without stunning picture and sound? The TCL C1 delivers native 1080p resolution, with support for 4K content, rendering every scene with breathtaking clarity and detail. But it's not just about resolution, it's about color. TCL's TrueHue tech ensures colors pop with professional-grade accuracy. ISF-certified engineers have optimized every unit for professional-grade picture quality, meaning you get vibrant, true-to-life images. And to truly complete the cinematic immersion, the breathtaking sound surrounds you with Dolby audio and an 8W powerhouse speaker. You'll hear every whisper, feel every explosion. Your room transforms into a vibrant soundstage, making movies roar and music soar. You won't need external speakers for casual viewing. The C1 has you covered, elevating every experience. Beyond these incredible features, the C1 is built to last. Its fully enclosed light engine protects internal components from dust and noise, maintaining consistent performance and image quality for years. We're talking a 30,000-hour light source. That's a lot of movie nights. Plus, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you're always connected, whether it's for streaming, screen mirroring, or pairing your favorite external audio devices. In conclusion, the TCL C1 Smart Projector isn't just a device. It's your personal, portable entertainment hub. It's incredibly easy to use, delivers stunning visuals and immersive audio, and has all your favorite streaming services built right in. If you're looking for a hassle-free, high-quality way to enjoy movies, shows, and games on the big screen, anywhere, anytime, then this is the projector you've been waiting for. It's a genuine game-changer for home entertainment, offering premium features without the premium fuss. If you're ready to redefine your home entertainment and elevate every viewing experience, you can find the link to check out the TCL C1 Smart Projector for yourself in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments what your ultimate projector setup would look like.